Joseph Fulmer here, and in today's video I'm going to be installing a new air cleaner on my 99 Honda Valkyrie. I noticed last season my fuel mileage kept getting, well, it was never good. And it's never been excellent on these bikes. They didn't always get great fuel mileage, but you're never going to believe what I found, and I think that completely contributes to the lack of economy. Do me a favor while you're watching this. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. If you've already hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get notifications on all my upcoming videos. As always, if you have any questions about anything I'm doing, please drop your question in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to answer it for you. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to rate it when it's all over with, guys. Now, when you pull the tank off of this, you've got a vacuum line that runs to the petcock. You've got a drain from the fuel fill on top in case you overflow it. I already pulled the fuel line off from underneath. And then you have a plug-in for the fuel level sensor, because this bike does have a fuel gauge on the interstate. Then it's just screws, pull the air cleaner cover off. You could see earlier my wiring that was up there. That is, I normally keep my cell phone in the pouch on the tank, so it's the charger cord, and it's also the plug-in cord. Now, there is the mess. Apparently, I had a rodent carry a bunch of fiberglass insulation on top of my air cleaner.
That could contribute to a lack of efficiency.
Now, HA1596 is the part number for the K&N air filter that I'm replacing that with. I like going with the K&Ns because they're a reusable filter, and they are a lot higher flowing filter. This bike does tend to run a little rich anyway. Now, when I did put it in, I did not realize, because it never came out of the box, there is a foam pre-filter that comes with this. Now, I will have to open that air box back up and install a foam pre-filter later on, but I didn't get a chance to do that this evening. Now, just trying to clean all the excess dirt and everything off that air cleaner. There's a bunch of road grit up underneath there. And then it's just a matter of reassembling everything the way it came apart. Now, I will tell you on the fuel petcock down on the side, and it's real hard to see in this video because unfortunately my camera angle was not where it needed to be, but there are spacers because the petcock cover, actually the bolts that hold it on, also they run through the coil, one of the coil packs for the bike. And there are spacers that space everything out, and the easiest way to get those back in is to actually use a magnetic pickup tool and fish them in and then slide the bolt through the spacer. That's what I ended up doing. It's really, really difficult to see, and again, I apologize because the camera angle was not where I wanted it to be, and I didn't realize that it was that far off. So, hopefully, guys, this is going to make quite a bit of difference in the fuel mileage of this bike. I'm only 1 day into riding on my first tank, so I've got about 55-60 miles on my first tank of gas since I did this air cleaner. So I'll let you know how it goes. But like I said before, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, now that's almost over, go ahead and rate the video. If you have any questions, as always, throw them in the comments section. Share this with your friends. And guys, don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little bit of fun doing it. We will see you on the next one.
Oh, this will be fun.